Hi, welcome to one of my first videos. This time of year is winter here where I live, and it's really tough to get outside and get any videos done. So what I'm trying to do is go through videos that I've recorded in the past and bring those to you to kind of show you a little bit about my background and where I do, what I do and where I am. This is a video of what I do at nighttime for my day job. I am the gentleman standing in the orange on the deck, car deck ramp in front, and my job is to raise and lower this ramp when there's an incoming vessel. This can be a pretty nerve-wracking job considering you've got such a large structure that you've got to align perfectly with the deck of the boat as it comes in, especially if there's wind conditions or waves. These vessels are super ferries and they hold up to 120 to 135 vehicles and two decks full of passengers. What I do is wait for the boat to come in, align the ramp as it's coming in, and then I drop the ramp onto the deck of the vessel. And here in just a second you'll see them secure the lines, and I'll drop the ramp, and then the passengers and the vessel and the vehicles will exit the unload off of the vessel. I then wait for any vehicles or passengers that need to reboard the vessel for its next sailing. We have about 4 or 5 different destinations from the dock where I work. Orcas Island, Lopez Island, Shaw Island, San Juan Island, and so it keeps you pretty busy. Anyway, what we see here is the garbage coming off of the vessel, crews towing the garbage off the vessel, and those are the walk-on passengers there that are coming off. In the evening, we have an overhead ramp for walk-on passengers, but late in the evening we have them just unload on the car deck. So now you'll see the vehicles start to disembark the vessel. At this time of night there isn't typically a lot of vehicle traffic coming back from the islands. Most of the vehicle traffic is going outbound early in the day, and then they stay out there for the weekend. So once this is done, I will reload the vessels and any passengers onto the boat, raise the ramp, and the vessel will sail off for its voyage to one of the outer islands. Thank you for stopping by and viewing my videos. Like, share, and subscribe.